So unfortunately, I'm not going to be working on the car in this video. Like I said in the last video, I came to a standstill and bleeding the clutch. I'm pretty sure I need a new Slave and Master, so I'm going to have to get that bought pretty soon and then install that. Today though, I'm going to be working on closing off that side of the garage and up here with some plastic so that it'll be easier to heat just this side of the garage since that's all I use. I also got a propane heater, so that should heat that side of the garage pretty easily. And I'm going to also clean up the garage today. Here's the bumper to the other car. You guys can see that I'm slowly parting that car out. I'll have to show you guys that in a video. I'm not sure if it'll be today or not because it's raining outside and I don't really want to go out there and show you guys. But yeah, we're going to be closing this side of the garage in, so we're going to get started on that now. So now we got this Tyvek in here. It looks a lot better than it did. And honestly, I have no complaints. I'll probably staple that white strip up later just because. I wish there was a better way that I could have gotten it to lay on the ground and to keep it down, because I didn't want it so baggy. I wanted it super tight, but there's really not a lot I can do. There's just barely like 2 or 3 feet right there that I'll have to cover with plastic. When I get the plastic, I don't have that yet, so I'm not going to be able to do this today. Honestly, I don't think I could do it today anyway, because I don't really know how I would do it with the car in here. This is a start, I guess, though, to heat the garage. Anyway, I'll have to do that. But to get in and out of it, because this is where I have to walk through, I'm probably just going to take this utility blade and just cut a slit down here, and maybe cut a slit down here and a slit down here, and then at the bottom so that you can just walk through it. And hopefully that'll be good enough. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Well, there we go. I guess that's good enough. It's a really small slit, but it probably won't let that much heat out. And rather than cutting the other side so that it would actually, you know, open up more, here we go. Really small. You just kind of gotta duck through it, and it's not bad. It's not great. It's not the perfect solution, but it's better than having a cold garage. But yeah, it honestly, it makes it look a little bit nicer in here too, because it looks more clean. Now I have to kind of throw everything back there. I guess I'll probably just wait to move that stuff out. Hopefully I can, maybe I'll try to pick that engine up and push it back a little bit so I can have some more room over here. I guess I'll start with that. This is a good start though. So now I just have to clean all this up, push it back. Hopefully that'll go okay. Give me some more room. All right, and here we go. This is as clean as it's gonna get for now. It's honestly not bad. I honestly just put a bunch of stuff over there. Hopefully I don't need access to that side of the car anytime soon. Like I said, got the Tyvek up. Hopefully gonna be able to get this done soon-ish. There's an exhaust up there. But like I said, I think I need to get the car out of here first. Got the heater hooked up, that's all good. Gonna be really nice that I'm able to work in here in the winter now. Decently clean, like I said, nothing crazy. Probably gonna be a very, very short video, but it's better than nothing, I guess. And I'm happy to finally get this kind of cleaned up in here. At least I can actually walk around in here. I think this will be one of the next projects, putting this back on. I probably should have done this while everything was off the car, but that sure would have made it easier. Shouldn't be too hard. I mean, there's literally 2 bolts that go to it, so hopefully that's not terrible. But I guess this is all we're gonna do in here for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's done on the other car that I've been parting out. So here it is. It's all covered up right now, but basically, just going over it real quick, the bumper's gone. I obviously changed the trunk over in the other car. The IPDM is gone. All this stuff is wet, which kind of sucks. I need to get these struts out of here. I kind of forgot about that. I need to get that other car out and this car in so that I can get some of the stuff off of this car. These wheels are super dirty. One of the major things I need to do is get the e-brake stuff off of this car, and then I can actually take this car somewhere else and leave it so that it's not in the middle of my yard. And the doors are completely missing, as you can see. And here's the interior of the car, just completely gone. I am going to take the steering wheel, that's why it's taped up. I sold the 2 seats and the carpet, and the other stuff I needed, so that's kind of why it's just completely gutted. I guess I still have those and some of the back interior that's still here. Most of it actually is still in there, and I have to use it for the manual swap. So I guess that's the mini update on this car, which is becoming less and less car since all the parts are gone. But yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Peace.